Okay, in this question here, we have that Kevin got a prize in a lottery and he took a part of the prize to himself and shared the rest of the money with his family. The question told that from the amount he decided to split with his family, he gave the half to his mother. Okay, so if we call the amount of money that Kevin decided to split with his family as X, so if I call X the amount of money that Kevin will give to his family, once I know that he gave the half to his mom, so the mother will receive X divided by 2, okay? This will be the quantity received by the mother, okay? By Kevin's mother. The question continued and told us that 3/4 of the remaining will be split with his three brothers equally. So what it means? 3/4 of the remaining will be 3/4 of what? Once I know that he gave X over 2 to his mom, the remaining part will be X over 2. And 3/4 of the remaining, that is X over 2, will be the amount of money that Kevin will split with his three brothers. Okay, but if I need to represent the amount of money that each brother will receive, I need to take this quantity and divide by 3. Okay, divide this quantity by 3. It's the same as to multiply the quantity by 1/3. So let's do this. So what will be the amount of money that each brother will receive? It will be 1/3 times 3/4 times X over 2. It will be the amount of money that each brother will receive. And finally, the question told that he gave the rest of the money to his sister. So, what will be the rest in terms of X? Let's find out. So, in the beginning, as the question told, he had X, but he gave X over 2 to his mom, and he gave this quantity here to his three brothers. So it will be 3/4 times over 2 to his three brothers. Okay, so what is the remaining part after he gave the money to his mom and to his brother? It will be X minus X over 2 minus 3/4 times X over 2. This will be the quantity received by Kevin's sister, okay? Let's continue. The question told that the sister received $9,600. So what it means? It means that this quantity here, it will be equal 9,600. And the question asks us how much money did each Kevin's brother receive and how much money did Kevin give to his family. So let's find out. If I find X from that equation that we have here, I can answer this question here about how much money did Kevin give to his family. So let's find out this question firstly, okay? In order to answer that question, we need to solve this equation. So let's solve now. We have here that X will be equal X minus X over 2 minus now I will multiply numerator by numerator, so 3 times X it will be 3X and 4 times 2 it will be 8, and I will put that this will be equal to 9,600. Okay, I want now to join those three fractions and I want to write this as one fraction. So how can I do that? In order to join those three fractions, I will represent this using a common denominator, and I can think that this x, it will be x divided by 1, and I need to find out what will be the LCM of 1, 2, and 8. Once 8 it's a multiple of 2 and 1, the 8 will be the LCM, okay? The least common multiple of 1, 2, and 8 will be 8. And now to find the numerators, I will just divide the common denominator by each denominator and then multiply the result by each numerator. So let's do that. 8 divided by 1, it will be 8, and 8 times x, it will be 8x. I will keep the minus sign here, and 8 divided by 2, it will be 4. 4 times x will be 4x. And finally, 8 divided by 8, it will be 1. 1 times 3x, it will be 3x. And this will be equal 9,600. Okay. Look, we have here in the numerator 8x minus 4x. This will be equal 4x. And if I take this 4x and subtract by 3x, it will be 4x minus 3x. That will be just x. So in the numerator, I just have x divided by 8 being equal 9,600. Okay. To finish this, I will think that this 9,600, it will be the same thing as the number divided by 1. I will just do a cross product here, and I will have that x times 1, it will be x, and 8 times 9,600, it will be what? Let's find out. 8 times 0, it will be equal 0. 8 times 0, 0. 8 times 6, 48. 4 goes up. 8 times 9, it will be 72, plus 4, it's 76. So x, it's equal 76,800. So it means that Kevin gave $76,800 to his family. Okay. To conclude the question, we just need to find how much money did each brother of Kevin received. Okay, I know that the quantity that each brother received is this one, okay? And we can evaluate indeed because we already know the value of x. So let's solve. I will take that amount here that represents the money that each brother will receive, and I will find out what it will be. Okay, let me erase this. And as you can see here, in this product, I can cancel out the 3 in the denominator with this 3 in the numerator. And if I multiply x times 1, it will be x. And I have here 4 times 2, that will be 8. So the quantity received by each brother, it will be equal x divided by 8. So it will be what? It will be 76,800. That will be the value of x that we evaluated before, divided by 8. Okay, look, we already know this answer because previous here we multiplied 9,600 by 8, and we got that the result, it will be 76,800. So it means that this number divided by 8, it will be 9,600. So this quantity here, 9,600, it will be the amount of money that Kevin will give to each of his brother, okay? And that it's the end of the question. See you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.